These three items may prevent your Hellcat from being stolen. Wheel locks, steering wheel cable lock, and kill switches. So today you're joining me as we are installing this kill switch, battery kill switch. So here it is. It's installed in the negative terminal, right? The terminal for the charger, or the batteries for the charger, is located in the back. As you can see, it's all funky the way it's situated. So I install the battery kill switch in this location because it's the one that makes the most sense. So this is the ground, this is the negative terminal. So I install it below the negative terminal, and this is the computer, right, that cuts off the signal of the batteries, and then you install the negative into the negative terminal right here, right there. So it's pretty straightforward, and we're gonna go ahead and test this out. If this works. If not, then it's my error. It's user error, I guess. So it's gonna connect that way. Turn this thing. So it looks like that once completely installed into the battery, right? It's hidden down there, and then this cable connects to the negative terminal. Make this a little bit tidy later on, and I'll let you see the finished product and see if it works. So I messed up. I didn't install it properly earlier. We're supposed to connect this post right here in the negative. So this comes from the car, and then you install the included clip, and that's where you install the kill switch. And then obviously the negative wire you run to the negative terminal, to the positive terminal. So now it works. So that's how it looks. Take a picture of that. Yeah, it works. So if the remote is off, you cannot start the car. If it's on, then you can easily start the car. Alright, I'll give it a review in a couple days. After using the kill switch remote, when you turn the battery back on, just a quick tip, the Uconnect SRT pages will disappear. In order to reset this, press the volume button and the tuning button on the radio for a few seconds and release, and you will get the SRT pages back into your radio for functionality of the SRT pages. Just a quick tip, just in case you encounter that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.